How to fix WhatsApp storage full issues on Android. This tutorial shows you how to free up WhatsApp storage and manage media files on your Android device. First, launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Following that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on Storage and Data to access storage management. Moving forward, tap on Manage Storage to see what's taking up space. Afterwards, you'll see items larger than 5 megabytes and forwarded media. In addition to that, tap on Review and delete items to start cleaning. Once there, select photos, videos, or documents you want to remove. Subsequently, tap on Delete to free up storage space. Moreover, go back and tap on Storage and Data again. Afterwards, scroll down and disable Media Auto Download for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then, this prevents automatic downloading of large media files. Within this section, you can also manually delete chats with large files. Alternatively, go back to the main chat list in WhatsApp. Once there, long press on a chat with lots of media. Then, tap on the three dots and select Delete Chat. Afterwards, check the box for Delete Media from this chat. Then, tap Delete to remove all media from that conversation. Moreover, you can also go to your phone's settings and tap on Apps. Afterwards, find WhatsApp and tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. Then, your WhatsApp storage should now have more free space available. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix WhatsApp storage full issues on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.